Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here together with me today. And I'm holding tea with me right now. It's a ginger tea, and um, I would like to speak to you today about these perfumes, basically Dirham. Dirham perfumes. So when you look at Ard Al Zaafaran, those type of things, what do they have there? You will see very often Dirham is kind of hitting there, that they would be kind of very, very popular. And so I was very curious, guys. Like, I got myself from the first go, I got this Dirham Gold because there were so many reviews about this particular perfume and this type of like packaging with this tea. It immediately, guys, attracted my eye, and I thought, like, let me just give it a go. Like, first time this brand, like, never heard before, and there are so many reviews, so let me just give it a go. So let's talk about each of them. Let's talk about them, these particular perfumes. So there was amazing packaging there. There was like, they were packaged in an amazing way. It was so suitable for like to give to someone as a present, guys, because the packaging was just brilliant. So Dirham Gold is the perfume. I really enjoyed the way it looks, and everything like that. Just the way, everything is. Dirham means money, and they say that, I heard one subscriber said that it's all about money, kind of, or being rich, kind of, that type of situation. And this particular perfume, unfortunately, when I smelled it, it was leaning towards masculine vibe. I like this perfume, and man would like this perfume, but even though it says, let's say, excuse me, it says maybe for unisex, maybe not for ladies, because it's kind of this type of freshy, this type of prominent freshy type of man perfume type of scent that they have, like, let's say, in Nautica Voyage, or like, let's say, Azaro Wanted, this type of prominent type of, that you wouldn't confuse, so this is in there. So for that reason, it wouldn't be, women wouldn't be able to wear it unless they want to, And recently, guys, I unboxed this one Latafa perfume, this Latafa perfume that actually reminded me of this one. So I already have two type of man freshies, leaning towards man freshies perfume that, myself, I will not probably reach, that often. So they are kind of similar to me, Latafa Nadia. If you are a guy, give it a go, because they are freshies for man, and they are so inexpensive. The only thing is that they will not surprise you too much. They will be very simple. Like, if you don't want to have any adventure with perfumes, then get those. They didn't seem to me that was surprise in any way. This is Dirham Gold is definitely for man, in my opinion, leaning towards man. This type of fresh perfume. But guess what, guys? Guess what? You know what? They already have something that would be for women, and this perfume surprised me, guys. And this one, the price was one of the cheapest one for some reason, and like, it surprised me. I hate white florals, but this one is the one that I like, and because it was smelling clean, but there was also kind of vanilla poking through and something else. Some people say they smell peach, which is great, actually, to smell these type of fruity perfumes. So these two, guys, are different. If you are a lady, go with this one. It's for ladies, this particular perfume. So I really enjoyed it. There is a huge versatility in this perfume, in the way that you can always smell feminine, fresh white florals with some little bit of sweetness there, and it makes this perfume very suitable for office, and this is that type of grab and go, perfume that you don't need to think, and it can be very easily used in the morning when you kind of wake up and you are preparing yourself and you just want to smell clean. This is the one to go. White floral, jasmine with some nice fruits, sweetness, not fruits, but sweetness over there, super nice. So very happy with this purchase, guys. Dirham was the name. Dirham Wardi is the name. Some people say pink Dirham, which is great as well. Really like this perfume. And look at this bottle, guys. Like, super cute, isn't it? Ard Al Zaafaran. Ard Al Zaafaran. The other perfume that I have, this one was my least favorite. It was, I have only 10 mil over here, and lucky that I have only 10 mil, because if I would have like 100 mil, I wouldn't know what to do, because this perfume, guys, it's basically Oud collection, Dirham. When I smelled it for the first time, I think I wanted to do my first impressions, but when I smelled for the first time, I couldn't feel anything. I thought that this perfume, guys, is some kind of fake perfume perhaps that I got, and I don't feel anything. But then another day when I was trying to spray it again, then I perhaps smelled a little bit of oud there, but it was so weak that it was kind of water with a little bit of oud, and some pepperiness, So let's say if you have this, let's say Latafa Opulent Oud, so that one is so much stronger than this one, and this one, because of this weakness, guys, I don't think it's worth buying. I really don't think so. Let me know, guys, if you have another experience, like perhaps you have another experience with this. I don't know, like we are all so different. So let me just kind of hold it for you right now, these particular perfumes. So we have this, look at this Dirham, we have this Dirham Gold, Dirham Wardi. If you're a lady, 100% go with that one. If you're a man, go with that one, but don't expect anything too special, but it's super nice, I like the meaning of it. And I think this one, if you want to give as a present, they are both just give it as a present, like everyone must like it, present for man, present for woman, for any age. But this one a little bit disappointed me. Like this, do anyone, guys, have this one? Let me know, because I don't know what to think about this particular perfume. I don't feel it. It's water with little bit wood and black pepper. That's it, guys. I wish you to have a beautiful day. I will come back to you soon, and bye bye, guys.